In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Whop. If you want to make Whop easier to navigate in the language you're most comfortable with, this is a quick setting to update. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can switch your language preference smoothly. To begin, go to the Whop homepage. Once you're on the home section of Whop, give the page a moment to fully load so all of the navigation options appear correctly. Starting from the home page is helpful because it gives you direct access to your account controls. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This is where Whop keeps account-related settings and personal preferences. When you open this menu, you should see several options connected to your account. If you don't immediately notice the right option, just take a second to scan the menu carefully before moving on. From there, click on the language option and select your preferred language. This is the key step in the process. Once the language menu opens, choose the language you want to use on the platform. Depending on how Whop is set up at that moment, the change may apply right away, or the interface may refresh briefly. If the page updates automatically, that's completely normal. A helpful tip here is to make sure you choose a language you can comfortably read, since the platform navigation and menus will adjust based on that selection. After selecting your preferred language, go to the New Business page on Whop. This step helps confirm that the language change has carried across to another part of the platform. When you arrive on that page, check the menu labels, buttons, and general interface text to make sure everything is now appearing in the language you selected. And that's it. Changing the language on Whop is a simple process once you know where to find the setting. Just head to the home page, so open your profile menu, choose the language option, and then verify the change by visiting another page like New Business. If the updated language doesn't appear immediately everywhere, try refreshing the page once to make sure the new preference has fully loaded. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly update your Whop language settings.